Page 68, Emergency Procedures. A pilot would, while in their aircraft on the ground or in flight, make an emergency broadcast when they encounter an unplanned situation that requires immediate assistance. ATC will always prioritize an emergency transmission and ensure that they focus on facilitating and resolving this emergency as expeditiously as possible. Furthermore, it is preferable that if pilots believe that they are facing an emergency situation, that they declare this emergency as soon as possible and cancel it later if they decide that the situation allows. There are two classes of emergency messages. A. Distress, a condition of being threatened by serious and/or imminent danger and requiring immediate assistance, transmitted as Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. B. Urgency, a condition concerning the safety of an aircraft or other vehicle or of some person on board or within sight, but which does not require immediate assistance, transmitted as Pan, 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 Pan.